Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nur Shakira Marhati binti Muhammad Azim and my material number is 162949.
Data management is important because a good data management could prevent the possibility of data loss. In the meantime, it also helps in improving the efficiency of a research process. Therefore, researcher can minimize making error in data collection plus improve the data governance itself. Differences between discrete and continuous data. Discrete data. It's said as discrete if the value belonging to the set are distinct and separate. It is accountable data but not measurable. There are two types of discrete data, which is numeric or numeral data category. In category, they are nominal and ordinal. For example, the number of students in a class, number of workers in a company. That's an example of discrete data. Graphical representation for discrete data is usually in a bar chart. Then, continuous data. Continuous data is a measured data. It has continuous measurement of data and can retrieve values at intervals. There are two types of continuous data. First, interval. Second is ratio. Interval, a numerical scale with clear difference between sequence and value. For example, measuring temperature. For ratio, same as interval data, but ratio data start from the value of 0. For example, measuring the weights of children. For discrete data, back in my second year, I did a fieldwork to Janarico to observe number of people who give donation to beggars at Janarico night market. Meanwhile, for continuous data that I have collected is my own weight. How many kilos did I manage to lose in a month with certain ways of exercises and nutritional intake. Differences between primary and secondary data. Primary data is a research result perceived by the researcher itself. Primary data is owned by the researcher and the first user of the data set. Primary data usually gained through three ways, which is experimentation, questionnaire, and observance. Meanwhile, secondary data is data that have been recorded or produced by other researcher. It's not owned by the researcher. It's documented either in form of hard copy or soft copy. Three ways to collect secondary data is by archive, website, and publication or printed document. For secondary data that I have collected by my own, one of them is research report for my Malaysia iteration subject, whereas I need to find a report regarding a short story that I have chose for my journal. In my first year, it was my first time ever constructing and distributing questionnaire. Unfortunately, we failed to achieve our target respondent. Then one of my group mates, a senior, told us to tick or answer the questionnaire on our own. Each of us need to take at least 3 sets. This led to invalid result of data obtained from the research. That's all from me. Thank you.